Hi, this is Tom Smith with IronStratus, and today I'm going to show you just how easy it is to add a group of users all in one fell swoop to the IronStratus product. As you can see, I'm logged in and I've got two accounts that are visible within this overall login, and I'm going to add, so I've got a big corp and a non-work personal account that I manage my applications in, but I'm going to add a new account to demonstrate this so you can see from scratch what this process looks like. So in this particular case, I'm going to add the account name and the email address for the account owner, and just that easy, I've added a new account. Here's my getting started page, as you expect for the first time login. I'm going to jump in now and take a look at the users under the manage screen, and you can see I have one user here, which is myself, which I just joined. So now what I want to do is take a look within this account, how many seats do I have available? So in this particular case, since I just created it, I get my 5 free seats just like always, and I have 4 seats available, but guess what? I want to add about 100 users, so I'm going to need to go through an upgrade process. I'm not going to walk you through all the individual steps on that, but there's just one screen after this, so when you click on this upgrade button here, you'll register with your name and a credit card information and some billing information, and then you'll upgrade. So I'll show you what that looks like on the back side of that. So I've just filled out that form, and now I'm going through the upgrade process, and there I have it. So if I take a look at my account now, I see that I've just added 150 seats to the 5 that I had before. 1 seat is in use, and I've got 154 seats still available. To bulk import users, I would go to the manage screen. I would go to the manage users portion of that. You see I have one user in here today, which is myself currently, and if I want to add additional users, I go to the add button. I can add these one at a time with email, role, first name, last name, but I'm going to do a bulk import by clicking on this link here. And what it opens up is a little instructions on how to do that. So the first thing you have to do is prepare a CSV file that contains the following values in each of the separate columns. So first name, last name, and email. So the first 3 columns have first name, last name, and email. And let me show you what that file looks like before we jump off and upload it. So here's a file that I've already prepared that's on my hard drive. First name, last name, and email address in the first 3 columns. Notice that there's no header row here. That's an important aspect, that you don't have a header row in that file. So let me choose that file. It's right here on my hard drive. I will open it. And now I can choose, for those 100 users that are coming in, I can assign a default role to all 100 of those. And if I have a group of account managers, manage users, and power users, what I want to do is break those down into separate CSV files so that I've got a block of account managers, a block of managed users, and a block of power users, because during the import process, whatever I select here will get applied to all of them. So I've selected power users because I want all 100 of these users to come in as power users. It'll go through import all 100 users, and it'll check for errors to see if I have any configuration errors, or if these users already exist within my current account, and it'll check for that. You see the roles all set to power user. I'll finish the import process. Now those are added to my add screen here. I can do one final check of this, and then I have a chance of actually either saving these users if I want to stage them and configure them, or saving and invite them, and they would get basically blank vaults at this time, and they would log in. So I'm going to actually just save these users because I want to go through now and assign applications to them, and here they are in my system. So I've just added 100 brand new users. All of them are power users. They haven't been invited yet, so I can go through and jump to the manage application screen and assign applications to these people and get their vaults all configured prior to them ever getting a login to IronStratus. Then I'll send them an invite. The first time they log in, they will go to their vault and they will see all the applications they need to do their job. And that's just how easy it is to add a group of users. You just want to make sure that you have the appropriate number of subscription seats that have been purchased, and you do this. And now that I've upgraded, adding seats in the future, since we already have the credit card information on file, is easy to do. You just click on this button and adjust to how many new seats you want to add into your license. That's just how easy it is to do. I hope you enjoy the IronStratus product, and thank you very much for your time.